Okay, so this is the second attempt.
I don't have it. This is the key that was brought. This is the original key where Carrie replaced the battery. The battery that Carrie had replaced it with is now back in this key. My husband went home because I couldn't start the car again. Brought me the other key. Other meaning original one that I brought to Carrie. I drove the car here with my second key that I had put this battery into, and it did the same thing. I had to do it multiple times, and it started and got me here to karate. There's a key symbol. It says key and ignition. Click.
This started occurring right after they fixed the fuel line and they...
Within a week, less than a week, within a couple of days. Click. It makes a click sound.
All right, I'm shutting it off.